Good evening, everybody. Hope everyone is fine and healthy. So let's just start the analysis and let's see what uh, Monday can bring to us. So we have this quite heavy selling day last Friday, and this selling has taken over all the previous bars. So this means that we might see the follow through of this day on Monday. This bar has closed at its low, right? And it was unable to close above the declining 20 MA. So this day has given us a clear clue to us that Monday we might see a follow through of it. In even in the hourly time frame, we have we can see that prices have breakdown from this small base, where it was looking at something like that buyers might take control from here, but sellers became very aggressive and they have moved the prices down to this support zone. So I think first of all, let's just remove this line and just remove this zone also. So let's just draw a new support resistance zone. So it would be something like this, and let's just change the color. So we have this zone somewhere around 17,200 and 17,190. So even if prices will try to move up, so this would be the area where we might see the pressure from the sellers. So just keep this in mind that if prices, let's say on Monday, try to open in this range or gap up and try to reach here, then this would be the area to go short, right? Or if they just break below from here, which in my opinion looks not very strongly here, because we already have this move to the downside and then consolidation and then again move to the downside. So we might see a kind of range bound market. I mean, it could be in the starting at the opening and then prices might try to break down. So in any event, if prices will try to give any opportunity to go short, so that would be the rise where prices will try to either reach at this resistance zone or might try to create a resistance somewhere here. Then those were the areas where we can go short. Let's just clean this up. So we have the closing in the intraday time frame below the averages, and it looked like that prices were trying to stabilize. So this stabilization might push up the prices for at the opening, and then prices will move prior to will definitely move down because we have a heavy selling here. So if prices will come somewhere to this resistance area, so in the 5-minute time frame, it is somewhere around 17,107. So which is somewhere at this location, this high. So if let's say prices come here and then give us a strong selling pattern, then we will take the opportunity of that pattern to go short. And this would be the next reference point where prices might try to reach. The other possibility is that after the selling day, prices might not move down directly and they try to create a base for a day or two. That could be another possibility to just keep this in your mind. Now let's just see what is happening in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is, again, as I've been continuously telling in my videos, that Bank Nifty is looking more bearish, and it has given the closing below the 200 moving average. So which means that we would definitely see a follow through of it on Monday, right? So scenario is almost same, and this zone is, yeah, so this zone is still intact in Bank Nifty, which is around 35,900 to 35,500. So if on Monday prices will break, down from this support zone and go past it, then that would mean that the importance, the value of this zone will be over, and then prices might try to approach this daily zone, this daily line, which is around 34,000. So let's see how prices will behave on Monday. As of now, things are looking bearish. We are seeing the market wide selling. So let's just be prepared for the shorting opportunities. And let's just go back to Nifty and see. Yeah, so we still have a lot of space here, and Nifty has quite a lot of room to fall, right? So this would be one area which is around 16,900. But in my opinion, if prices will start to fall, then they will definitely try to reach at this location. And if Bank Nifty will will be more weaker and prices selling will increase in Bank Nifty, that would mean that we will see the impact in Nifty as well. And this is what we've been experiencing, right? So let's see how Monday will unfold itself. So that's it in today's analysis. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you're learning, then just give it a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Good night.